There you are.
Fucking champion over here. Fucking champ at this game. Get your fucking shit out.
No.
Get your fucking shit out of there.
No.
Get your fucking shit out of the dryer.
No.
Take out the rest of it. Okay. I have to go to half a fucking hour. I don't care. Get it out.
No.
Get it the fuck out. No. Get it out.
Sorry.
No. You should have started earlier.
Sorry.
I've worked all day.
Who cares?
Oh, it's fucking first.
Oh no.
Get it out.
Anger.
You can't hang up 3 things.
No.
So I can have my clothes dry for summer.
Sorry, you're freaking out on me. You lose that.
In the washing machine.
Is it done?
Yeah, it's done, and her shit's all dry pretty much. No, don't fucking touch my shit.
Yeah, look at now you know how I
Done in
feel.
half an hour?
I'm not wearing this. I'm wearing 3 things in here.
Well, take out the 3 things that you're wearing.
What the fuck good is that gonna do? I don't want it in there. All her shit smells like B.O.
Okay, well I guess you lose
You
it
know
then.
what?
Sorry.
You gotta work with
fuck you.
people instead of work against them.
She wouldn't. I was like, most of your shit's dry. You can't hang up
Take out the 3
feelings.
things you want.
And then what the fuck is that gonna do?
That'll help.
What the fuck is that going to fucking do?
Then get the fuck out of my house.
What is it gonna fucking do?
Nothing.
I'm trying to get the fuck out. Get this shit out of here and I'll get out
No.
fucking faster.
No.
Fine, you can fucking stand there all day. I'll fucking stand here too.
Okay. Sure.
As long as you're quiet when you stand there.
Get your fucking shit out!
No! She doesn't have
Sorry.
to. I'm asking you to work with you.
Oh yeah, what is this gonna do? Getting my shit out, what is that going to do?
Ayanda!
Move your shit so I can get in there.
Get in.
You sick! Fucking gross. Fuck, you smell like shit. So does all your clothes.
Yeah, sure. That's
Fucking regrets.
what you have to say.
Clinical shit.
That's what you have to say just because you can't get what you want. It's okay, I understand.
I wish.
At least I don't fuck creepy bouncers.
I wish. No, you just blow them